For the countless people who have been suffering with bad breath, I have great news. It is treatable. A lot of people don't even know that. You probably know that mints and gum, things like that, just mask the odor and it comes right back. So you really have to get to the source of the problem. Tongue scraping helps, but for many people, it's just not quite enough for them. So for these people, I would recommend getting evaluated by someone who can effectively treat it, because that's the important thing. You have to treat it. Luckily, our office has been treating bad breath for over 25 years, and we're able to identify and eliminate the source of the bad breath odor. We actually have a specialized oral chroma gas chromatograph. And what this does is it actually identifies these smelly sulfur-based gases that cause bad breath down to the parts per billion. So it's very specific. It picks up these molecules and it'll actually analyze them and it'll tell us how much of these you have. Our treatment actually comprises a full mouth disinfection protocol with a focus on the tongue and the throat, where most of these sulfur-producing bacteria like to live. It's great to be able to actually treat and cure something that can be so debilitating to those who have it. So if you think you do have bad breath or anybody's told you that you have bad breath, I would recommend start by tongue scraping. If that doesn't help it, then you definitely need some professional help, and we're here for you. Give us a call, get an appointment, and we can definitely treat you and get rid of it and cure you for life. That's our goal.